G'day, here's 3 pieces of bold Ropal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres. It's nice hard material so it will polish up nicely. Okay, the rule was in millimetres and the material's been wetted to help highlight the pattern / colour. The white that you're seeing there is a reflection of the lights. This sort of material, there's the vein opal there. Need to follow it down. Maybe grind this off. It's a low priced parcel. It's practice sort of material to get the feel. Things like this, follow the vein. That's where the colour is. Although there's not a lot in that, but it's not a bad spot to start practicing on. Cheers.